Chicken is delicious without cooking. Been eating chicken for over 30 years. This is the best way to make it. Tender, juicy, and tasty. Hello everyone, I'm Trong Kwang. Today we are going to make something delicious with chicken. Didn't you spend 20 yuan early in the morning? I went to buy a small 3 yellow chicken and came back. When making this dish, it is best to choose 3 yellow chicken. It tastes better when eaten, and the meat is relatively tender. Let's use kitchen scissors first. Take apart all the parts of this chicken. Like chicken feet, cut off the chicken head and buttocks. Then cut it in the middle. Remove the internal organs and clean out all the impurities. Then add an appropriate amount of clear water. Wash your hands twice more. Remove the blood film and impurities inside. After cleaning, then add an appropriate amount of clear Huayi River water. Then wait to start. Turn the chicken over. Set aside to soak. Then let's cut some small ingredients. Prepare a handful of garlic. First break it up with a knife. Then chop it into minced garlic. After it's chopped, put it in a small bowl. Add a tablespoon of light soy sauce. A little dark soy sauce for coloring. A tablespoon of rice wine. Rice wine is very effective in removing a small spoonful of oyster sauce. A little pepper. Appropriate amount of cumin powder. An appropriate amount of chili powder. If you like spicy food, you can add more. Then use a spoon to mix it evenly. Now our sauce is all ready. Put it aside first. Then put the chicken in the basin. Use kitchen towel. Dip all the moisture on the surface and wipe it dry. Then use bamboo sticks in place of chicken thighs and in place of chicken breast. Make small holes in it separately. This makes it more convenient to taste. Then add the sauce you just made. Spoon some onto the surface of the chicken. Then start applying it evenly. Let's give the chick a full body SPA first. After evenly applying it, turn it over first. Then pour all the remaining sauce on top. Be sure to apply it in place. Wait until it is completely, then seal it with plastic wrap. Then take it and put it in the refrigerator to chill for more than 6 hours. The longer it marinates, the more flavorful it will be. It's best to marinate it overnight. Then prepare a piece of tin foil paper. Arrange it neatly on the tray. In addition, cut some small ingredients. Prepare a piece of green onion. Use a diagonal knife to cut green onions. A large piece of ginger cut into slices. It's best to cut more ginger slices. After everything's cut, take one piece and place it on top of the tin foil. Then put the marinated chicken. Place it on top of the onion and ginger. Then pour the remaining ingredients on top. Then prepare a large piece of tin foil. Cover it. Then fold it from all sides. Fold it tightly and cover it with tin foil. It won't burn easily when baked this way. You can also take it off halfway. Then preheat the oven in advance. Put the wrapped chicken into the oven. Upper and lower temperature bake it for an hour degrees. After time is up, the chicken is already cooked by this time. Take it out first. Cut off the tin foil on top. Put it in the oven again. Continue baking for 20 minutes. Grill the chicken to give it color. Wow, it smells so good. The chicken baked in this way will not be dry when eaten. Meat is tender and juicy. Relatively tender after baking. Let's take a look at the color. Isn't it very tempting? They all look very appetizing. And the chicken is so soft and falling off the bones. Look at this gentle tug. It tore off all the bones. If you don't want to eat something so soft, we can reduce the baking time a little. The chicken cooked in this way is delicious and tender. Spicy and delicious. Then start tearing it into small pieces. Put on plate. You can enjoy it beautifully. Who can resist such chicken? Especially children. That is very fond of eating. If you like it, you can quickly collect it and try it. Don't forget to give me a like before leaving. Many thanks. That's it for this video. See you next time.